Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys color inversion setting in our Samsung phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on your color inversion and guys how can you use in your Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now time to start video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to on guys color inversion. Then guys scroll it. Then guys you can see guys your accessibility setting. Guys tap here. Then guys you can see guys this second option. So guys tap here and guys again scroll. Color inversion guys tap here and guys you can see your color inversion. So guys you can on from here. After on guys your phone screen will change. Color will change guys. This like that guys. And guys you can see guys your YouTube guys everything is like ghost. Like that guys you can use your color inversion setting. So like that guys everything will be like ghost. So guys we call it color inversion and guys you can see guys your phone screen color has changed. So like that guys you can on your color inversion in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to on color inversion and how to use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.